In this video, I'm on a 2014 KX450F at Cross Timbers at Lake Stanley Draper on the back half of the Green Trail. And it was December 7th at about 12 p.m. and about 45 to 50 degrees outside. It was overcast that day, so visibility was a little low, but I threw on those yellow tint goggles to add a bit of contrast, and then warmed up a bit, did a little other video recording of some of the features around the park, and then came out here to do about 6 minutes of fast riding, or fast as I could, on this heavy motocross bike. So it was a bit of a follow-up to my Surron Ultra Bee video, just to compare how a much heavier bike is going to handle out here versus a souped-up e-bike. And so this was a fun thing to do, but I'm going to upgrade my Surron Ultra Bee with the Torque TC1000 and throw on front and rear springs, and then I'll do a follow-up video on that, and that'll be pretty cool to compare with how this KX is handling out here. But yeah, it was good conditions for riding, a little bit of sand and a little bit of rock here and there, but you can get going at a pretty good pace out here, especially once you memorize the track. So hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give it a like and subscribe. That'll help me grow the video, grow the channel, and put out some more videos. Alright, thanks again for watching. Have a nice day.
Okay.